Make sure that the surface that you're placing your sticker on is dry and free of residue. Peel up the top layer of paper. The sticker should come along with it. Be careful not to let the sticker fold over on itself. Now it's time to stick. Find the spot where you want to place your sticker and anchor it down by smoothing the left edge of the paper to your surface. Then, while moving from left to right, smooth the rest of the paper down. Take an object with a smooth plastic edge and rub the paper down. I've tried using an old spent gift card and it worked fine. If you peel back the paper and the sticker is still attached to it, smooth the surface down again. There we go. Peel the paper slowly. The little details can be tricky, so watch as you go and press them down with your finger if they need help sticking.